Welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is Conversation with the Stars. In a tranquil little village, there lived a lady named Alice, a passionate astronomer. Every night, as darkness fell, she would make her way to her observatory, gazing at the boundless stars and engaging in a silent conversation with the universe. Alice's observatory was perched atop a hill, far away from the clamor of the city. Here, the night sky was exceptionally clear, and she could observe the stars through her telescope, exploring galaxies, studying nebulae, but most of all, uncovering the stories hidden between the constellations. One day, as Alice was preparing to observe a meteor shower, she noticed an unusual bright spot in the sky. It was so luminous, unlike any other star. She aimed her telescope at that spot, and to her surprise, it seemed as though the star was engaging in a dialogue with her, emitting extraordinary twinkles of light. Alice commenced a conversation with this star, though she couldn't hear its voice. She could feel the messages it conveyed. The star shared with her the secrets of the cosmos, the life cycles of stars, the mysteries of black holes, and the passage of time. Alice's heart swelled with awe and wonder, for she began to comprehend that stars were not merely distant specks of light. They were also messengers of the universe, conveying profound wisdom. She felt herself merging with the cosmos, her life intricately connected with the night sky. This dialogue with the star continued for quite some time, and every night, Alice would return to the observatory to converse with that radiant star. She realized that her thoughts grew deeper, and she began pondering the meaning of life, the origins of the universe, and humanity's place within it. One fateful evening, the star shared a particular secret with her, one concerning the passage of time. It told her that time was relative. It could flow differently depending on the observer's perspective. Alice began contemplating her own life, understanding the importance of cherishing each moment. This celestial conversation also ignited Alice's passion for further scientific exploration. She evolved into an outstanding cosmologist, unraveling the mysteries of the universe for all to see. Her work garnered widespread recognition, and her name became forever associated with the beauty of the night sky. The moral of the story is that we live in a vast and mysterious universe, filled with infinite secrets waiting for us to explore. Conversing with nature and the cosmos can help us better understand ourselves and the world. Time, like the stars, is precious, and we should cherish each moment, comprehend the relativity of time, and live life to the fullest. Wherever we are, we can establish a connection with the universe, as its mysteries perpetually await our discovery.